What's up, guys? If you are tired of wasting the hard-earned power your solar panels generate, you are not alone. Getting the absolute most out of your solar setup is a game changer for sure. Today on Best Product, we are checking out the best MPPT solar charge controller. Let's get started. Meet the ePever MPPT Solar Charge Controller Tracer AIN G3 series. When you are putting together an off-grid or even a hybrid solar system, the charge controller is basically the brain of the whole operation. It sits between your panels and your batteries to ensure everything charges safely. ePever built this model to completely change how you manage your daily solar energy. It looks fantastic, but more importantly, it works incredibly well. ePever is highly trusted, and this controller shows exactly why. One of the absolute biggest reasons to grab the ePever controller is its rapid and precise MPPT technology. If you have ever used an older PWM-style controller, you know they can be inefficient and lose potential energy. By upgrading to this advanced ePever model, you can actually generate up to 30% more power from the exact same solar panels. That means faster charging and more usable electricity for your home or camper without spending money on extra panels. It constantly tracks the maximum power point as the sun moves, which guarantees you are getting every single drop of sunshine available to power your devices. Another massive benefit of this device is its impressive ability to handle a maximum open circuit voltage of up to 100 volts. This is a huge deal because it makes the controller perfectly compatible with larger solar panels that are usually intended for standard on-grid applications. You do not have to limit yourself to tiny off-grid panels. You can wire larger panels in series, keep your wiring costs down, and maintain incredibly high efficiency across your entire electrical system. Next up, let us talk about the clean design and the user interface. The front of the ePever controller features a very bright and clear multifunction LCD display. This screen is wonderfully helpful because it provides a vivid overview of your entire system status right there on the main unit. You can instantly see real-time energy statistics, check your current battery levels, and monitor exactly how much power your panels are pulling in. You will never have to guess if your system is working properly because the LCD screen gives you the facts. Total flexibility is another area where the ePever MPPT Solar Charge Controller truly shines. It fully supports both traditional lead-acid batteries and modern lithium-ion batteries. So, whether you are on a strict budget with a classic deep-cycle battery or you upgraded to a high-end lithium bank, this controller adapts flawlessly. But what makes it truly unique is its ability to operate in a completely no-battery mode. This means you can power certain loads directly from your solar panels even without a battery connected. It is amazing for people who want to test their system quickly or run simple daytime applications easily. To make sure absolutely nothing goes to waste, this controller boasts a stunning tracking efficiency of over 99.5%. It basically means the controller almost never loses track of the ideal power point, even when dark clouds roll over quickly and the sunlight changes rapidly. Combined with its very high conversion rates, the ePever controller guarantees that your solar array performs at its absolute peak potential from early sunrise to late sunset without any real effort. For the more advanced users out there who love tracking data and smart home integration, you will be very happy to know that it includes standard Modbus protocol and an RS-485 interface. This allows for extremely easy communication and remote monitoring of your entire setup. You can connect it to much larger energy management systems or hook up a remote meter to check your daily solar statistics. ePever gives you all the necessary tools to stay highly informed about your generation. Finally, safety and long-term durability are a top priority when dealing with electricity. The ePever MPPT Solar Charge Controller is equipped with a smart high-temperature derating function. If the unit gets too warm during a hot summer afternoon, it automatically adjusts its power output to cool itself down and prevent internal damage. Along with fully configurable load modes, this actively prevents your system from experiencing unnecessary strain during extreme weather. It really is a professional-grade and highly reliable solution for maximizing solar utilization. Are you ready to step up and take full control of your daily solar power generation? Check the price link in the description to get all the details and see the latest offers. If you loved this video, please like and subscribe to Best Product for more awesome showcases. Thank you so much for hanging out today.